Hello, everyone. I'm here to teach you about how to do vocabulary in this class because this type of vocabulary exercise is something we will do more than one time. So, of course, we're going to start by reading the instructions. We're going to read through the words first without necessarily doing anything other than rating our knowledge of each of the words using this scale. So, here's the scale, the rating scale. On a scale of 1 to 4, 1 being I have no idea what it means, all the way up to 4, which is I could teach it in class because I'm so confident in my knowledge of the word. Right? So that's the first time I'm going to go through all the words and I'm just going to rate my understanding. So let's say, for example, I rate myself a 4 for briskly. Well, what does that mean? What that means is there's a list of tasks that correspond with each of the ratings. So according to the tasks, right, it says, use the word to create a complex context sentence. That means that I include enough context in the sentence to make the meaning clear. So that means I have to write a really good sentence. So I'm going to write a really good sentence for briskly, wherein the definition is apparent. The woman walked briskly to her appointment because she was running late. Now, the reason that's a context sentence is because the fact that she's running late would indicate she has to speed up a little bit, right? And walking briskly is walking at a brisk or a speedy, energetic pace, right? So I would go through and maybe rate my understanding of each word, etc., and look them up or accomplish each task. That's a 4. 2, right? And so I would determine what I need to do. So if it's a 1, I need to look up the dictionary definition and find a synonym. So immaculate means perfectly, cleanly. Right? So something that's just perfect, immaculate, perfectly clean, spotless. Or spotlessly because it's an adverb. So once I finish this, right, I'm going to go down and see that, oh, there's some practice, right? There's 4 multiple choice practices, and then we have some fill in the blank with a word bank. Oh, this looks familiar. I walked briskly down the street because I was running a little late for my meeting. That sentence sounds awfully familiar, and I can cross it off once I use it because there are 10 sentences and 10 words. So everything gets used one time in part 2. So that's it. That's vocab.